Yo. The first time I heard Digital Underground, I was in the first grade. My homie Lace brought it over, and he dubbed it on a mixtape. I would do the Humpty Hump and perform to his verses. 12 years later, I learned that Shock G and him were the same person. I loved Hammer, I can't front. He taught me how to dance, along with Bell Biv DeVoe. I had J.O.'s and a pair of zebra pants, but this was the foundation. What would come to be a lifelong passion, journey, and drive. And MC, some people ask me what it means. I don't know where to start. It's the deepest connection between my soul and my heart. When I first stepped into a cypher at a jam in the park, I got served. No, for real, I got served. But see, I learned something. Observed others and watched an urge, hunger, burst. Study or earned a turn on that block. I don't care who you are, where you from, or what you believe in. But if you love hip-hop, I bet it's more or less for the same reason. This is it. When you spit, you exist in that moment. And if you're sick with that gift, then you rip it when you perform it. Then all the shit that you live begins to lift up your shoulders. And the audience will then get to experience where your soul is. The most amazing feeling, rocking the crowd to your anthem. To the front, to the back with their motherfucking hands up. Cause I'm a MC, won't be the first, won't be the last. Just another B-boy and I'ma die in my stand. If you got a pen and a pad, put your heart down. If you got a record and King Crab, lay a scratch down. If you got a marker and a can, bomb your art now. If you got a floor and you're fast, kick that ill style. If you got a pen and a pad, put your heart down. If you got a record and King Crab, lay a scratch down. If you got a marker and a can, bomb the whole damn town. But if you live for hip-hop, don't ever put your hands down. Don't put your hands down. Keep that shit up. We're gonna rock it like this. Do this with me. It goes front, back, front, back, front, back, front. Come on. It goes front, back, front, back. I said front, back. To my people, you know it. It goes front, back, front, back. It goes front, back. Okay, bring it down. Now I don't know if it's the clothes, the hoes, or the cars. It makes people rap like they're trapped inside of these bars. This shit ain't complicated, man. It's be who you are. Too busy searching for the light, missing the fact that you're a star. Now who's got passion? Stand the hell up. Cause I wanna hear somebody rapping who's got it inside their cuts. Now you can get intricate displaying your fancy cadences, but if you're not speaking the truth, you might as well not be saying shit. I said, who's gonna teach the kids? You want to blow up and get famous so you can get some new rims? All the money in the world can help you look like a star, but money can't buy you the heart to go and put inside your bars. And I like nice shit too. Believe me, I got a closet full of Nikes and a whole bunch of velour suits. Addicted to white tees and an icy earring like the whole youth population of hip-hop, but look beyond it when I record to these beats. Cause if I don't speak me, what's the difference between my lyrics and what you hear on MTV? People fear that if they're steering away from the mainstream, then their album won't sell. Well, I can give a fuck. I'm just gonna freestyle and spit what's in my gut. And if you want to, you can go and label me conscious, but just remember there's a kid at a bus stop beatboxing whose life will be affected by what's inside of his Walkman. If you got a pen and a pad, put your heart down. If you got a record and King Crab, lay a scratch down. If you got a marker and a can, bomb your art now. If you got a floor and you're fast, kick that ill style. If you got a pen and a pad, put your heart down. If you got a record and King Crab, lay a scratch down. If you got a marker and a can, bomb the whole damn town. But if you live for hip-hop, don't ever put your hands down.
Добре, представиш се по-драматично връста.
Ой, добре ли си? Дака? Оф!
Представиш се по-драматично.
Стана? Не.
Чакай.
Виж, Дормо.
Аз мога с краката е така, дали да се едно. Не може да се викам, Киро, какво стана, Киро? Помощ! Помощ! Да, как се бе? Какво направи? Задушавам се, баб Георги! Дай направо тук горе да го изкараме, да му е удобно. И го пускаме и той си тръгва на ръцете, как се заминава. Стало, спови да излезне, бе! Командира, Дака! Какво прави, Киро?
Как влезе там, бе, Киро?
Стара, бе! Ставих стойка!
Как се озва тук?
Ще падне тук, бе! Ай, отиваме чул. Опа! Ай, го занесем горе. Какво правиш, бе? Си, ай, зе! Свобода!
Най-накрая. Гадно ли беше вътре?
Това вече не ни е бавно.
You got a record and get crap, man, scratch them. You got a marker in the camp on the whole damn town, but if you're different hip hop, they'll never put your hands down.